Now we go to the next game municipality in the metro, the People's Republic of Kabaklaan, Hosik, right at the heart of Makati, no? Poblasyon. Hosik is not subtle. Ito ay isang malagkit at malaking melting pot. At literal na melting kasi pagkapasok mo, umiinit na ang atmosphere. Not because mainit, but because ang daming bakla. You know, poblasyon is already chaotic by default, no? Dagdagan mo pa ng kabaklaan. Nako, that is a weather already. You know what's nice about Hosik is because it is a programming genius. Hindi pare-pareho ang gabi. Each night has a different concept. We have Rush Wednesdays, no? May papasok na ka-brief at may lalabas na naka-brief pa rin. Iconic. Minimal fabric, maximum intention. Thursday Supremes and Only Pop Fridays naman, no? It's very algorithm coded na gabi. You know, kapag nakita mo siya na trending sa For You page mo, alam mo na mag-play yan dito. Saturdays is Imposter Nights. They have Rihanna, Ariana, Beyonce, at lahat-lahat na. The night belongs to whoever owns the cultural moment that week. Di lang sumasayaw ang crowd, nag-impersonate rin sila. At hindi pa natatapos dun ang kanilang concept because they have Sunday All Out, no? It's giving ASAP na para bang walang katapusan tong kabaklaan na to, na para bang walang pasok bukas, no? They are that intense. I can fall for more.